So the building is a vocational training institute for underprivileged kids. It runs a 1-year program, and the client wanted to give an environment where the boys learn to handle stuff on their own.
ये इमारत इस वजह से पसंद है कि मैं खुद एक टेलर हूँ, ठीक है, टेलरिंग के रिलेटेड ये जो है ना बहुत खूबसूरत बनी हुई है।
और ज़िंदगी ने मुझे पहले मौका नहीं दिया पढ़ने का, और मुझे अब मौका मिला है। मुझे कहना है, मैं फ़ख्र होता है मैं यहाँ पे अब काम सीख रहा हूँ इस बिल्डिंग में।
Whenever we start a project, we always make sure that the ventilation and the light is there. So we knew that if we would let the air in and if we remove slabs, the warm air will go up and the exhaust system pushes it out. ये materials, इसके fair face concrete, इसकी bricks का color ऐसा रखा गया है जो उसकी aging में उसको help करे, ना कि उसको हर वक्त साफ रखना पड़े. Having something traditional, but also we wanted to fuse it with modernity. So we came up with this solution of having multiple screens of different colors, and each of these screens have different meaning attached to it.
Building is not only aesthetically beautiful, it's a place where lives are being changed. That's what is more important. Where a boy comes in which have never been to a structured classroom and which has no future, and he comes into our place, it changes him altogether.
The space is such that it is enabling the client to mold that program into something which they never thought of. They have a gym now, they play carom board, which was never in the initial brief. So that's the beauty of architecture, that it enables you